Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music through the system in this 2014 Bentley GT. So from any screen over here, like for instance you're on nav there or map, we click media, click on media, Bluetooth no device. Well, that's strange because I've just paired a mobile. So let's just have a look. Connected, Bentley connected, so it is connected. So what we'll do now, we'll go to music, click on the silver triangle and the three silver circles. So there's nothing showing here. Right, so now then, over to the steering wheel control, click menu. I'll just go down like so. Oops, where we go. Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. It says there user, new user, visibility, media player. So down to media player, click on the thumb wheel, active device, paired devices, down to paired device, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, click on that. We'll just see if anything comes up here. Oh, hang on. As I say, we're going to have several hands here. So click on that, connecting. Bentley's come up. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. Now when I play any music on this iPhone, it will come through the system. That there is now showing BT audio, so that's connected. So we'll go back here. Me and Mrs. Jones, I don't want that garbage. So we've got Sweet Caroline there. I'm going to turn that up and then volume here. Now for some reason when I do this in a VW, because it's been paired to another vehicle, it always crackles. So I have to shut the music app, reopen it, we'll click play again. And there it is, it's perfect. So I don't know why it is, but it always seems to be on kind of the Volkswagen system. And obviously the Bentley is the same as the VW. So if you have any problems with crackling and stuff, shut your music down, knock it off completely, open it again and click play and it'll play all right. Hopefully this is going to be a car crash video really, because I've just not got enough hands to do it. Once you've done it, you only have to do it once and then it's sorted. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.